you want, you can always go back and see the meeting. All right. Welcome everyone. So today we are having an English class. Okay, Amrita seems very busy talking to someone. Amrita, can I have your attention here, please?
I am talking now, then I can't hear you.
Okay. All right. Okay. So what you guys can do is tell everyone कि now every day 11 to 12 I will have my class. So request them कि 11 to 12 please take care and don't make lots of noise. Okay. Talk to them. Ask them politely, not during the call, but before. Okay. So if they know, they will also take care कि you have enough space and quiet to study. Okay. All right. So today we'll be having a shorter call because कल का call बहुत लंबा हो गया था. So before we start, you know the routine. We have to share one thing we are grateful for, one thing that is your goal, and how are you feeling. So these three things. Today we will start in alphabetical order. So anyone whose name starts with A. We have Ambika and Amrita. So Ambika, you go first. A and B. B comes first now. So Ambika, you go first, and then Amrita will go. Ambika, unmute yourself, please. Ambika, can you hear me? अंबिका आपको सुनाई आ रहा है? प्लीज अनम्यूट करो. All right. Amrita, would you like to go? Ambika can go later.
I can go.
Yeah.
My goal for this, I will pay attention, and from next time I will say to my younger sister to be quiet before the meeting, and I am grateful for my parents who do for me and give me phone on the correct time, and I'm feeling happy.
Okay. Thank you so much, Amrita. I loved what you shared. Okay. So who's the next person? A ke baad we have H. Harsh. Harsh, you go. Unmute yourself, Harsh. Yeah.
I will grateful for I have best friends and families, and today my goal is I will pay attention in class and write notes.
Okay. And how are you feeling, Harsh?
Happy.
You're feeling happy? Great. All right. So after Harsh, we have R. PQRS. So Ria or Raj? Raj will go first. Because A comes first now. So Raj, go.
Today my goal is I do maths worksheet homework, and I'm feeling excited. And I'm grateful for my parents and sisters.
Okay. Very good, Raj. Thank you for sharing. Ria, you go now.
My goal for today is I will make all the notes of English class. I am grateful because I am not I don't have now coronavirus. I am safe, and I am feeling very excited because today's class is going to be nice.
Okay. Thank you so much, Ria. Ambika, can you hear me now? Ambika, are you able to hear?
Yes.
Okay. So Ambika, would you like to share?
I am grateful for I will do today full homework.
Okay, so you're grateful for that. Grateful का मतलब होता है अंबिका कि वो आपके पास है तो आपको उससे बहुत ज्यादा खुशी मिलती है. You're very thankful कि आपके पास वो चीज है. वो चीज या इंसान. Grateful मतलब ये होता है. So
I
what
am
is that
grateful
thing that
for-
gives you lots of happiness?
I am grateful for my parents.
Okay, so you're grateful for your parents. Okay. And what is your goal for today? Goal is something big that you do that makes you grow. ठीक है, कोई ऐसी चीज which is difficult for you, but you do it and it helps you grow. So what is that thing? What do you think you're not so good in? So you can think about doing good in that today. Think. Because you're on mute. Okay, Ambika, you think? Tab tak Shashwat, please share. Ambika, you share after Shashwat.
I am grateful for my friends and because everybody friends go village, my friends not go. And I am today my goal is nothing.
Why? You don't want to grow today.
Because my days go always same.
They always go same. Then your goal can be you will do something different today. Then your day will not go same, na? What is something different you can do today? Think. Think what is something different you can do. What are you not doing that you want to do?
I do what I want always.
Yeah, you do what you want.
Because my
Okay.
day goes by playing and time pass.
Playing and time pass. Okay. So today you can help your mother maybe. Do you do that every day?
Yes.
So you can do something nice for her. You can maybe write her a nice poem or write a
Because
story.
she is going sick.
She's going
Sick.
She's going where?
Sick.
Sick. That's a where is that place? Hello.
Your voice is stucking.
Acha. So what you can do is you can switch off your video. If you switch off your video, I think it will become clear. Yeah.
Yes.
Now are you able to hear me properly?
Yes.
Okay. So I was asking, can you repeat that? Where's your mother going?
Sick. Sick. She is not well.
Oh, she's sick. She's not going. She's sick. Oh, so take care of her, not today. Get her water, get her food whenever she wants.
Yes, I am doing that.
You're doing that? Very good. So that can be your goal. Your goal can be I will take care of my mother today.
Yes.
I know. All right. And how are you feeling? You already said you're feeling very happy. All right. So we have two new people who joined us, Abhishek and Muskan. So Abhishek, would you like to share? You have to share one thing you're grateful for, your goal for today, and how are you feeling?
I am grateful for I tomorrow meet a Surya in Zoom meeting.
Ooh, nice. And what's your goal for today?
My goal is I don't think teacher today.
So you think and tell me afterwards. And how are you feeling, Abhishek?
I am feeling very happy.
Okay, now think. I will ask Muskan. After that, Abhishek, you have to tell me your goal. Okay, Muskan, can you hear? Okay, Muskan has not connected to audio. Okay, let me write on chat. Okay, she's connecting. Okay, Muskan, can you hear me now? Hello, Muskan, can you hear? Oh, hi, Muskan. So, Muskan, would you like to share something you are very thankful for, that you are happy you have that thing? It can be people also. Anything that makes you happy. What is that thing that makes you happy? That you feel, oh my God, like you thank God for it. You don't feel happy about anything, Muskan? Are you happy that you have your parents?
Yes.
So you're grateful about your parents. Yeah. Are you happy that you have 2 hands, 2 legs? Some people don't. Yeah, you're happy about that now. So you are happy that you have a full body. Are you happy that you are okay, you are not sick, you're well, you're healthy? Yeah, so you are grateful for that. You can be grateful for that also. Hai na? So you can choose anything that you want, or simple thing. I'm happy, I'm grateful that my mother made like very nice food today. Anything that you are really happy about, that thing you are grateful for. Okay. Okay, and what is your goal? So you know what goal is? Goal is something that you are not good in, but you want to get better at it. So you decide, ki I will do this today. So what is your goal? What do you want to do? Which you are not doing, which you think is difficult? Huh? So you can choose, maybe you will pay attention in this class. It's very simple thing, and you can do it right now also. Hai na? And you will complete all your homework for today. That can be your goal.
Yes.
Okay. And the last thing, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling very well.
You're feeling very well. All right. Perfect. So who's left? Abhishek is left, but Abhishek मुझे सिर्फ terrace दिख रहा है. आप नहीं दिख रहे हो. किधर हो? Okay. Ambika, would you like to share now your goal?
My goal for today is I will help my mother in cooking.
Very good. Thank you so much for sharing that, Ambika. Abhishek, yes, your turn. ओके गाइज यू कैन स्विच ऑफ योर वीडियो. अगर आपको क्लियर आवाज नहीं आ रही है ना, तो अगर आप अपना वीडियो बंद करोगे तो आपको क्लियर आवाज आएगी, बिकॉज यू आर स्टार्टिंग द लेसन वेरी सून. All right, I think Abhishek got dropped off the call. No worries, it's okay. We are starting the lesson now. I'm going to share my screen with all of you. It's a very different English lesson. You will see, okay? Can Muskan see my, okay, Ambika see my screen? Give me a thumbs up if you can see my screen. Okay, I can see Amrita doing it, Shashwa doing it. Great. All right, now you can switch off your video, but you keep a notebook, your English notebook, and a pen or a pencil ready, okay? Keep it ready so that you can make notes. All right, so let's start. Welcome everyone. Okay, one more thing. Please keep all of yourselves on mute. I will tell you when to unmute yourself, जिससे कि background noise नहीं आएगा if you keep yourself on mute. All right. Amrita, keep yourself on mute, please. Hello. Amrita, switch off your video. I can't hear you. Were you saying something? Hello.
We have to write the page number also, na?
Yes, you have to write page number at the top and also write English. So on each page write English, 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 because we have English class right now, and write on the first page write 1, second page 2, then 3. Abhishek, stop sleeping. Show me your notebook and a pen or pencil.
Yeah.
This is not a movie that you have come to watch. This is your class. So sit smart, sit properly, sit smart. Yes, very good. Now open your notebook, pick up a pen in your hand. Yes, very, very good. All right. So, and everyone, I'm muting you all. So, हो ही नहीं रहा है. Okay. All right. Riya, you have raised your hand. गलती से हुआ कि actual में you have raised your hand? Okay. So, welcome to English class, everyone. Let's move forward. So, there are few rules for today's class, few norms. First is, आपका जो video है, that you can keep off, no problem. But आपका phone का screen keep it in a way so that आपको clearly दिखता रहे. Second, take notes. Third, keep yourself on mute, and whenever you want to talk, then what you will do? You will unmute yourself, but otherwise keep yourself on mute. Then next, always show me thumbs up whenever I'm asking you thumbs up or thumbs down. Then if you have to say anything, you can raise your hand. Okay? Or you can directly unmute yourself and ask me a question. Then last one is thinking cap. So always wear a cap in which you are always thinking. Never thinking about what? Thinking about what I'm saying and what is on the screen. So these are the rules for the class. Always remember to follow these. So let's start. Okay. So it is drawing time. What you need to do is you need to draw a picture of a human. स्टिक फिगर नहीं बनाना, एक प्रॉपर आपको पिक्चर बनानी है एक ह्यूमन की. यू हैव टू यूज कलर्स. आपको उनके क्लोथ्स भी बनाने हैं और आपको उनका एक्सप्रेशन भी बनाना है, सब कुछ. एंड यू हैव टू गिव नेम टू योर ह्यूमन. जो भी आप ह्यूमन बना रहे हो अपनी नोटबुक में, उसको आपको नेम भी देना है. ठीक है?
Teacher, we have to color it.
Yes. If you have colors right now, then you have to color it. If you don't have colors, you don't have to. But expressions banane hai. Is your human happy, angry, sad? Like however your human is, you have to draw it. You have to draw human ke clothes also, and aap usko color bhi kar sakte ho if you want. Okay. So, and at the end, aapko apne human ko ek name bhi dena hai. Whatever name you want to, whatever you want to call your human. Okay. So for this, I'm giving you how many minutes? 3 minutes. 3 minutes for you to do this. So I'm putting timer in my phone. Once it rings, your time will get over. after this, everyone will have to share, okay, on call itself. So make sure you're drawing and you're coloring and you're naming your human, you're drawing expressions and clothes also. Any human you want. Two minutes, 30 seconds left.
Done, teacher.
Okay, wait.
1 minute, teacher.
If you are done, wait. You can color it nicely. You can give them clothes. You can give them expressions also. How are they feeling? And write their name also, okay? Don't forget to write name. You have 1 minute, 21 seconds left. Ambika, I don't see you drawing. Come on, draw very quickly. You will have to share. What will you share if you don't draw? "40 seconds left, everyone. Quickly finish it. Start writing names.
Done.
Okay, very good. We'll wait for 3 minutes to get over. 20 seconds to go. Come on, make finishes to your drawing.
Teacher, done.
Okay, 10, 9,
Teacher,
8.
done.
Amazing.
Teacher, done.
Very good. Time's up.
Done.
Okay, stop now. The time is over. Okay, stop. All right. So now it's sharing time. So you have to share कि आपने क्या ड्रॉ किया है, आपको दिखाना है अपने कैमरे से. आपकी ड्राइंग, आपकी ह्यूमन का नेम क्या है वो भी आपको बताना है. So each of you will get 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds में आपको अपनी ड्राइंग दिखानी है और उसके बारे में you have to describe your drawing. Okay, you have to give details. Is my instructions clear to everyone? Give me thumbs up.
Yes. Yes.
All right. So I'm gonna stop share so that we can all see each other. So who wants to go first? Who wants to share first? Okay, Shaurya. Go. Acha, Shaurya and then Abhishek. Shaurya raised his hand. Okay, Shaurya, Abhishek, Riya, and then Harsh. You are all raising hands. Okay. Shaurya, share.
Teacher,
Yes.
my character name is Rocky and he is feeling happy because he wear a new clothes and wear shirt and pant. Therefore, Rocky is happy.
Beautiful, Shaurya. Take a picture and send on school group, okay? You can do it after the call also. All right, next, Abhishek. Where is Abhishek? There. Hi, Abhishek. Share, please.
Teacher, it is not showing a camera.
It is showing. We can see. I can see now.
My character name is
I give my name is
Oh,
Abhishek, and he wear new shoes.
okay. Show the shoes.
Yes,
Ah, very nice, Abhishek. And how's your character feeling with the new shoes?
happy.
Okay, so your character is happy. Very nice, Abhishek. Very nice. Okay, next is Ria. Okay. Ooh, you have colored it also. Beautiful. Ria, unmute yourself. You're on mute.
Her
Huh.
name is Kavita.
Okay, and tell us about Kavita.
She loves to dance and she has a great taste in flowers.
Ah, and how is she?
She loved her hair color in purple.
Oh, yeah, I see. Very nice. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful, Ria. And how is purple colored and a flower dress Kavita feeling?
Very happy
Very
and
happy
thankful.
and
Thankful.
thankful.
Yes.
Very nice, Ria. Thank you so much for sharing. So next we have Harsh.
My character name is Raju,
Okay.
and he bought a new pant, and he's feeling very grateful.
Very, very grateful. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful, Harsh. I loved your Raju. So next, who wants to share? Amrita and then Muskan. Okay. Amrita, go, and then Muskan will share. Where is Amrita? Acha, there. Amrita, unmute yourself. We can't hear you.
I've put my name only,
Okay.
Amrita, and then I have made me own. I made my own self. I like hairband at my I made hair, and I put my hair open because in cold I like to put my hair open. Feeling cold and happy. Happy because first time I am wearing my own clothes which I want, because every time, every festival, my mother said that clothes only I wear, and I got right. And first time I am wearing my own clothes. Yeah.
Wow. Thank you so much for sharing that, Amrita. Beautiful. Muskan, go.
Okay, yes, this is his name is Rohit, and she's very happy.
Ah. And his name is Rohit.
Yes.
And you have colored him, you have given him blue clothes. Very nice. I love your drawing. And he's wearing green shoes. I love the way you have designed the hair. Aise karke. Very pretty, Muskan. Beautiful. Thank you so much for sharing. You want to share something else?
No.
Okay. Thank you, Muskan. All right. Now who's left and who wants to go? Yes, Raj. Go.
Look at this. My character name is Akash. He was very excited to go to market.
Oh, okay. So Akash is going to market.
Yeah.
Oh, very nice. And you have also made his clothes blue. Nice. I really like it, Raj. Beautiful, beautiful. And I like आपने उसका skin color बहुत chocolatey रखा है, and that is very, very nice. I like उसका skin color also. Very nice. Ah, beautiful. And how is what is your character's name? Akash, है ना? And how is Akash feeling?
Excited to go to market.
Excited to go to market. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. All right, so who has not shared now? We have Ambika, Khushnuma, Shashwat left. Who wants to go? Everyone has to share. Okay, Shashwat, go. And Khushnuma also. Khushnuma is also left. Khushnuma is hiding. Shashwat, unmute yourself. We can't hear you.
My character name is Raju, and because my character, it is feeling happy.
Ah, and what is that star thing you have made? Uske clothes
It
pe
is
apni-
his shirt.
It is a
his
shirt.
shirt.
Very nice, huh? I like your Raju. Show me niche ka part. What is he wearing down? Say pants and shoes. He's wearing shorts
Yes.
and shoes.
Yes.
Ah, okay, Shashwat. Thank you so much for doing that, for sharing. Harsh is writing nice Shashwat on the chat. Okay, Khushnama, you go next. Khushnama, unmute yourself so that we can hear you. Khushnuma, I can't hear you. Keep your phone close to your mouth like this. Okay. Acha, now share. Share about your character. You can keep your notebook down. Now share.
My character name is Mehreen. Her feeling is happy.
Her feeling is happy. And can you describe her clothes? What is she wearing? And all?
She wear a gown.
She's wearing a gown. Beautiful. And what color the gown would be if you would have colored? अगर आपने कलर किया होता तो कौन सा कलर होता गाउन का?
Green.
Green. Okay. And she's feeling
Happy.
happy. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful, everyone. I loved your drawings. I loved your humans. So now my request is, after this call ends, take a picture of your human and share on WhatsApp group. Okay.
Okay.
All right. But did you guys enjoy this part?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Fine. Let's move forward. अच्छा. Now there is a thinking question. इसका आपको आंसर नहीं देना है. But just think. Why do you think you drew your human this way? आपने जैसे भी अपने ह्यूमन को बनाया है, जो भी आपका ह्यूमन कर रहा है, आपको क्या लगता है आपने, और जो भी आपने कलर किया है, आपको क्या लगता है आपने ऐसे ही क्यों बनाया? जैसे राज का राजू इज गोइंग टू शॉपिंग, नहीं आकाश, राज का आकाश था, आकाश वाज गोइंग फॉर शॉपिंग, है ना? एंड मुस्कान ने शी हैड मेड अ बॉय हु वाज वेयरिंग ब्लू clothes. Then Khushnuma ne Mehreen, I think that was the name, she had made Mehreen wearing green gown. So आप सबने different बनाया. So why do you think आपने वही human बनाया? Humans तो बहुत different types के होते हैं, right? So why do you think आपने वही human को बनाया? Think about it. Raj, I would like you to pay attention. All right. Now, anyone would like to share? आप share करना चाहोगे कि आपने अपने humans को वैसे ही क्यों बनाया जैसे बनाया? Only 2 person needs to share, not everyone. Whoever wants to share can share. Yes, Ria.
I made my human like this because I love it. I like my human to be like me.
Oh, very nice. Thank you so much, Ria, for that answer. I love your answer because you want your human to be like you. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you so much for your honesty, Ria. I loved your answer. Anyone else who would like to share? Why did you make your human that way? Yes, Shashwat, go ahead.
I made like this because in my brain this idea came.
In your brain this idea came. When I said human, this is the idea of a human which came in your mind. Beautiful answer again. Thank you so much for sharing that, Shashwat, because this is the idea that came in your head about a human. So these two things are very, very important. Ria said, I want my human to be like me. Then Shashwat said, when I said draw human, this is the idea that came to his head. Okay, what's happening?
Someone is doing this on screen.
No one can do it apart from me. I've not given remote control to anyone. Okay, all right. So let's move forward. Okay. Imagine you are admissions officer at a school. ठीक है, of a school. Admission officer कौन होता है? Admission officer is a person who decides if this person will study in my school or not. So if, for an example, okay, what's happening? Is anyone of you doing this?
No, miss.
Because I'm not touching anything.
I also know.
I think you can't do it either. Okay, anyway, so if suppose Harsh is admissions officer of a school, then Harsh can decide कि उसके school में कौन पढ़ेगा और कौन नहीं पढ़ेगा. Who will study in his school and who will not study in his school. ठीक है? So now let's assume all of you are admission officers. All of you are admissions officer of a school and आपको बहुत सारी applications आई है. You have received many applications, but there is only one seat. अप्लाई बहुत सारे लोगों ने किया है स्कूल में एडमिशन के लिए, बट आपके पास एक ही सीट है जहाँ पे आप स्टूडेंट को ले सकते हो. सिर्फ वन स्टूडेंट यू हैव टू चूज. ओके, सो नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज व्हिच स्टूडेंट वुड यू चूज? आप कौन से स्टूडेंट को चूज करोगे? आई एम गोना शो यू फ्यू पिक्चर्स. नाउ दीज आर 5 students here. 1 2 3 4 5. Now you tell me, select one student. Who are you going to choose? And write on the text box. जो हमारा chat box है, chat box पे write the number of the student you will choose. You can only choose one person, one student in your school. So choose which person you will want to come in your school. Write on the chat box.
बंद होगी काम नहीं पकड़े.
Okay, so I have answer from Raj says 3. Shashwat says 4. Khushnama says 1. Okay, I want answers from everyone. So
5.
write on the chat box. Shaurya wrote 4. Harsh wrote 3.
Chat box का है.
Okay, Abhishek, you tell me which one. You said 5. I will write for Abhishek. Abhishek said 5, है ना? Amrita, no one, because first I will see behavior. Okay, I get it, Amrita. Very nice point. You don't want to choose. You want to by their how they look, you want to see their behavior. Beautiful answer, Amrita. But in real life, even I would not choose. I would want to see their behavior first. Very important. Thank you for pointing that out. But Amrita, if you had to choose based on how they look, if you had to choose based on how they look, which number would you choose? Which person would you choose? So I will share my screen again. Everyone has almost shared. Okay, so which person would you choose, Amrita, if you had to, based on how they look? Oh my God. Yes, Amrita, did you write on the chat? Amrita, can you come off mute and tell me if you wrote on the chat? I can't see if I'm sharing my screen.
I'm thinking.
Oh, don't think so much. Two. So you chose two. Okay, fine. So all of you chose one person. Now let that person stay with you. जिसको भी आपने choose किया. Good. Let's move forward. Now again, why did you think you choose this student? So Kushnuma said she chose first. Amrita said she chose second. Abhishek said fifth student. Some of you said third and fourth also. So my question to you is, why do you think you chose this person that you chose? Again, I would request two people to share. Yes, Shashwat, go ahead, share.
I think because he would be like me.
Because he would be like me. You saw him and he looked similar to you, and that's why you chose. Okay,
Yes.
thank you so much, Shashwat. Anyone else? Kushnuma, I would like to hear from you. Where are you, Kushnuma? Is Kushnuma no longer part of the meeting? Kushnuma,
I think first because he is looking smart.
he's looking smart. Okay, beautiful answer, beautiful answer. All right. So whatever your answer is, think about it, keep it with yourself. Now let's move forward. Okay, now listen to this very nicely. There's a new word that I'm going to tell you. When we choose one person or idea more than another person or idea, we are showing our preference. We are showing our preference. Now, what this means is, मैंने आपको बहुत सारे humans दिखाए थे. There were 5 humans, and आपने एक human को choose किया. And बाकी चारों को आपने select नहीं किया अपने school में पढ़ने के लिए. You only chose one person to study in your school and not the other person. है ना? What that means is, you showed your preference towards one person. So the new word for today is preference. Write this down, everyone, in your notebook. Write this word down, preference. P-R-E-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. Preference.
Teacher, done.
Done? Okay. Thank you so much for that. तो preference word समझ आया? जब हम एक चीज को choose करते हैं तो हम उसको preference दे रहे हैं. अगर मैं हिंदी में बोलूं, मैं उसको प्रेफरेंस दे रही हूँ. So जो भी आपने ह्यूमन चूज किया उस ह्यूमन को आपने प्रेफरेंस दिया. So you all understood the meaning of preference? Give me a thumbs up if you understood the meaning of preference. All right, beautiful. So this was the new word for today that I wanted to explain. Let's move forward. Giving you more example, I prefer chocolate ice cream to strawberry ice cream. यानी कि मेरे को chocolate ice cream ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती है strawberry ice cream के comparison में. So I prefer studying politics to studying physics. मेरे को politics पढ़ना ज़्यादा पसंद है compared to physics. Physics इतना नहीं पसंद जितना मुझे politics पढ़ना पसंद है. Yes.
टीचर कोई तो स्क्रीन पे कुछ तो कर रहा है.
I know. I will after this call I will see, and I will make sure next time पे नहीं हो. Next, I prefer spending time with people I know to spending time with people I don't know. यानी कि मेरे को ज्यादा पसंद है उन लोगों के साथ टाइम बिताना जिनको मैं जानती हूँ compared to जिन लोगों को मैं नहीं जानती. Yes, so these are the example. Now here is very important thing that I want you to know. Some preferences are okay. It is natural to prefer some people, things or ideas. कुछ आपकी जो preference होती है, जो आपकी पसंद होती है, they are okay, they are good. और ये natural है, because हम ऐसा nature नहीं बनाया, ये natural है कि हम कुछ लोगों को, थिंग्स को और आइडियाज को पसंद करते हैं, ज्यादा पसंद करते हैं कंपेयर टू अदर्स. एक इंसान इस पर्टिकुलर वे में दिख रहा है, मैं उसको ज्यादा प्रेफर करती हूँ कंपेयर टू कोई और कैसा किसी और तरीके से अगर दिख रहा है. ठीक है. सो दिस इज नेचुरल. नाउ लुक एट दिस. नाउ लेट्स रीड दिस स्टेटमेंट. प्लीज पे अटेंशन हियर. आई प्रेफर पीपल who have lighter skin to students who have darker skin. मैं उन लोगों को पसंद करती हूँ जिनका स्किन कलर लाइट है और मैं किन स्टूडेंट के कंपैरिजन में जिनका स्किन कलर डार्क है. जिनका डार्क स्किन है मैं उनको पसंद नहीं करती, जिनका लाइट कलर है स्किन का मैं उनको पसंद करती हूँ. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट. नाउ सेकंड स्टेटमेंट. I prefer listening to boys' opinion more than girls' opinion. Boys क्या बोल रहे हैं मुझे वो सुनना ज्यादा पसंद है compared to girls क्या बोल रही है. This is second opinion. Third, I prefer people from South India to people from North India. मेरा प्रेफरेंस है, मेरे को वो वाले लोग ज्यादा पसंद है जो साउथ इंडिया से आए हैं कंपेयर टू जो लोग नॉर्थ इंडिया से आए हैं. Now my question is, think about the preferences you just read. जो मैंने अभी 3 preferences पढ़े, जो 3 बोले, lighter skin, opinion and people from South India and North India. Think about these 3 things. Do you think they are okay or do you think they are harmful? क्या आपको लगता है वो सब प्रेफरेंसेस जो मेरा प्रेफरेंसेस थे वो ठीक थे या फिर वो हार्मफुल थे? हार्मफुल मतलब नॉट नाइस, जिससे हार्म पहुंचता है, जिससे प्रॉब्लम होती है. नाउ फॉर दिस आई वुड लाइक टू हियर फ्रॉम एवरी वन ऑफ यू. जो लास्ट के 3 मैंने प्रेफरेंसेस बोले, डू यू थिंक दे वर ओके और हार्मफुल? यू कैन यूज चैट विंडो. Very good. Thank you, Khushnuma. Harmful लिखने के लिए. I appreciate it. So use chat window to write. Use chat window to write if those preferences were okay or harmful. Harsh is okay. Thank you. Thank you everyone for writing. I'm waiting for Amrita, Raj, Abhishek and all to write. All right, so I can see all of you said harmful and I'm very happy that you know it is harmful and I agree. मैं भी अग्री करती हूँ. All of those preferences were not okay. They were harmful. It is not okay. So ठीक है. So preferences in words, जो हमारी harmful preferences होती है उनके लिए एक word है. This is your second new word for today. The second new word for today is bias. B-I-A-S. So write this down in your notebook. Write this word down, bias, B-I-A-S, and write uska definition. Preferring some people or ideas over others, usually harmful. as हमारी कुछ ऐसे लोगों और आइडिया को प्रेफर करना दूसरे आइडियाज के ऊपर, एंड यूजुअली ये हार्मफुल होता है. सो बायस क्या होता है? बायस इज समथिंग कि आई एम प्रेफरिंग सम पीपल और आइडिया ओवर अदर्स, एंड जो मैं प्रेफर कर रही हूँ वो क्या है, वो प्रेफरेंस कैसी है? वो प्रेफरेंस है हार्मफुल. इट इज नॉट ओके, इट इज हार्मफुल प्रेफरेंस. सो व्हाट इज इट कॉल्ड? व्हाट इज वन वर्ड फॉर इट? इट इज कॉल्ड बायस. If someone thinks white color या फिर fair color of skin is beautiful, that is a bias. Why? Because they mean to say white color, light color is beautiful, dark color is not beautiful. That is a preference. That is a preference they have कि मेरे को white color ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है, fair color ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है, और dark color अच्छा नहीं लगता. So it's a bias they have, and it is a harmful bias. It is not okay. It is not okay. It is a harmful bias, and we will call it bias. ठीक है? So give me thumbs up if you are clear what the word bias means. अगर आपको bias word का meaning समझ आया, give me a thumbs up. Thank you Kushnuma, thank you Amrita Raj, thank you Harsh. शौर्य, आपको bias word का meaning समझ आया? Yeah, it is harmful preference. ठीक है? So we have learned two words till now. First was preference, second is bias. When we have harmful biases and we use these biases to decide behavior, we discriminate. Discriminate is the third word for today. जब हमारी biases अगर harmful होती हैं और अगर हम ये biases के बेस पे हमारा behavior चूज करते हैं, सपोज मेरा बायस है कि व्हाइट कलर का स्किन ज्यादा प्रिटी है और डार्क कलर का स्किन नहीं है प्रिटी, और मैं हमेशा उन्हीं लोगों से बात करूं जिनका स्किन कलर व्हाइट है, तो मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? मैं डिस्क्रिमिनेट कर रही हूँ. व्हाट एम आई डूइंग? आई एम डिस्क्रिमिनेटिंग. DISCRIMINATE. एंड based on harmful biases, discriminate karna is not nice. It is not nice at all. So this is not nice. Discriminate, not nice. So discriminate. हमारा अगर behavior हमारे harmful biases की वजह से है तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? उसको discriminate बोलते हैं. डिस्क्रिमिनेट मतलब हिंदी में होगा भेदभाव करना. So if you want you can write हिंदी also. हिंदी में you can write भेदभाव. I'll write. Okay. Okay, मैं भूल गई, रहने दो. So भेदभाव आपको पता है ना? So yeah. All right. So this is the third word. First word preference, second word bias, third word discriminate. So when you discriminate, सब एक तरफ है और एक person को you are discriminating. Here, yes, Shaurya.
What is the first word?
Preference. PREFRENCE. Preference.
Chat, don't write.
Okay, so this word, preferences. You see this in blue? Preferences, greater like for something. Quickly write. Preferences. P-R-E, pre, fer, F-E-R, fer, N-E-N, cis, C-E-S. Preferences. Preferences is greater liking for something, किसी चीज को ज्यादा पसंद करना compared to कोई और चीज. Class, why I'm teaching you all these words is so that you can start using them day to day. हमारी life में all of these biases, all of these preferences आपको दिख रही होंगी. लोग जब ऐसे बात करते होंगे या कुछ भी बोलते होंगे तो उनका bias होता है जो वो बोल रहा होता है. So I'm telling you these words so that you can talk about it, so that you know that some things are okay but some things are not okay, some things are harmful. And how do you communicate? How do you tell them? You tell them only when you have the words. अगर आपके पास words नहीं होंगे तो आप उनको बोल ही नहीं पाओगे. So that's why I'm teaching you these words. Okay. All right. This is your homework for today. Homework में what you need to do is you need to write answers to these questions. Right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a picture of this and I'm going to share it on the group also. अभी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में आपको यहाँ पे सारे क्वेश्चंस एक्सप्लेन कर देती हूँ. हैव यू एवर फेल्ट डिस्क्रिमिनेशन बेस्ड ऑन कलर, बॉडी फिगर, इकोनॉमिक स्टेटस? क्या आपने कभी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन फील किया है? डिस्क्रिमिनेशन क्या आपके साथ कभी भेदभाव हुआ है? डिस्क्रिमिनेशन मतलब भेदभाव. क्या आपके साथ कभी भेदभाव हुआ है बेस्ड ऑन किसके बेसिस पे? आपका स्किन कलर के बेसिस पे, आपके बॉडी फिगर के बेसिस पे, या फिर आपके इकोनॉमिक स्टेटस? इकोनॉमिक स्टेटस क्या होता है कि आपके पास कितने पैसे हैं. क्या इन सब चीजों के बेसिस पे आपके साथ कभी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हुआ है, भेदभाव हुआ है? सेकंड क्वेश्चन, हाउ डिड इट मेक यू फील? आपको कैसा फीलिंग हुआ? थर्ड क्वेश्चन, हैव यू एवर डिस्क्रिमिनेटेड अगेंस्ट समवन? क्या आपने कभी किसी और के साथ भेदभाव किया है? क्या आपने कभी किसी और के साथ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन किया है? फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, हाउ डू यू थिंक इट मेड दैट पर्सन फील? जब आपने भेदभाव किया तो आपको क्या लगता है उस पर्सन को कैसा फीलिंग हुआ होगा? सो दीज आर द 4 क्वेश्चंस. किसी को भी किसी भी क्वेश्चन में डाउट है तो अभी पूछ लो. इफ एनीवन हैज एनी डाउट इन एनी ऑफ द 4 क्वेश्चंस, अभी यू कैन आस्क मी. No? Good to go? Okay. So I will stop sharing my screen. I will share a photo of these 4 questions on the group also so that you can do the answer. So after this call, you have some time. Right now it is almost 12. 1 second. So right now it's almost 12. You can submit this homework by 4 o'clock. Okay. By 4 o'clock is the deadline to submit this homework. All of you who are on the call today, please make sure you are doing the homework and submitting by 4. So, one short recap, 3 words we understood today. Preferences, किसी एक चीज को ज्यादा पसंद करना compared to कोई और चीज. Second is bias. Bias is जब हम कोई harmful हमारी preference होती है. ठीक है, जब हम कोई चीज पे कोई चीज मानते हैं and वो harmful होता है. कोई चीज हम prefer करते हैं but वो harmful होता है. थर्ड, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. डिस्क्रिमिनेशन मतलब हमारे बायस की वजह से अगर हम किसी के हमारा बिहेवियर गलत है, हम डिस्क्रिमिनेट कर रहे हैं, भेदभाव कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. सो दीज आर द 3 words. You have those 4 questions and that's it. That's it for your English class. Now someone wants to share something, so I'm giving you, we have 3 more minutes left for this call. So if you want to share something, you can. Who was speaking? Who was saying something? Harsh, were you saying?
Teacher, take a screenshot.
Achha, you took a screenshot? Okay, very good. Anyone else? Okay, did you like today's class?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, next time when you have a preference, think, is it okay or harmful? If someone else is saying something, think, is it okay or harmful? Okay? With this, I'm ending today's English class. Thank you everyone for attending and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.